Hi guys, I will show you how I'm growing red chilies here in the Philippines so that I can consume, because green chilies are very hard to get here. Normally you get only red chilies. These are my chili plants. There you can see the green chili. Yeah, many percent. The other plants which I'm growing, that is with the pumpkin, we have some grapes. This is the lemon, but it's not giving fruit yet. But there are lots of chili plants actually. They're huge, they're grown up. Here we have eggplant. There's another one. Normally this is the backyard where we grow a few plants and some vegetables. This is the area. So I was just thinking to show you some of the plants area which I'm growing for my cookings, because few things are very hard to get, so it's better to grow. Just to let you know, and a humble request of subscribing my channel, and please like and let me know in your comments what do you feel about it, what do you think about it. Thank you.